Hey, this is Nate. Just wanted to put this quick video review together for you, kind of give you some tips and tricks, a couple pointers on how to outrank your competition online. I'm going to go over three things: content, citations, and backlinks. So we'll get into what those are. I always start with content. Scrolling down through the site, the overall layout looks good. I do like the pictures and stuff that you have. And you do have a decent amount of content. I would try to break this down and either add some more pictures down this side or get this content to go more across the screen so you just don't have this big white space here. But on this homepage, we really recommend about 1,500 words on this homepage and about 500 to 750 words on your back service pages. And the reason for that is we want to get those keywords and keyword phrases that people are searching for in Google organically into the content on your page. It's not the only way to be found for specific keywords, but it's the easiest and fastest way for Google to find them and know that your site is relevant to what people are looking for. Now, here's a couple of the other guys I found. Scrolling down through here, they're way short on the content. So as long as we get the content and the keywords right, these guys would be super easy to beat out of that game. They do have a nice layout, but their content is really right here. That's all they've got. If we go over here and look at this guy, again, nice layout. He's got a little bit more content in here, but he's still probably well short of that 1,500 word mark. Ahrefs is a tool that we use to really break these sites down. And right now you're showing up for one keyword, and that is actually your website. Well, minus the LLC part. But anyway, it's on the 84th position, which is on the 9th page. But Google is starting to find some of the things on your site. So that one's actually coming from Canada, so it's probably not doing you much good. But we can go in here and look, see what these other guys have. He's got 14 keywords. He's got 88. So we'll go in here and take a look and see what keywords this guy's coming up for. Pressure washing Portland. Pressure washing Portland OR. Looks like he does most of his in the Portland area. But, with this pressure washing Portland, there's 80 people a month searching for that. And he's in the 5th position. He's getting about 6 visits a month to his site because of that. If we go down here, pressure washing Portland, Oregon, there's 20 people searching that. He's in the 7th position. He's getting about 1 visit a month. I like to find some of the little higher keywords, but I'm not really seeing any on here that are popping out at me right now. But these are the type of keywords that I like to see. They're very simple. They're generic. They say what you do and where you do it. So, pressure washing Portland, power washing Portland, pressure washing Bend, Oregon. I'm sure we could go through and find a ton of keywords that fit the area, especially since you are covering the whole state. But these are, like I said, the generic type of keywords that I like to see. The second thing would be your citations. I typed in pressure washing Oregon. This is what we call the Google Map Pack. That's going to be the first thing that you really see when you start searching stuff on Google. And there's 3 organic listings there. So the first thing that you want to do is get your Google My Business page set up and verified. After that's done, you want to start adding citations. And what a citation is, it's your business name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories across the internet, such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Merchant Circle. There's hundreds of these out there. It's just a matter of tracking them down and getting your information in there. The more of those directories you can get into, the better chance you have of getting up into this map pack. Some of the other factors are going to be your star rating, the number of reviews that you have, how many pictures you have on this Google My Business page, and making sure that it is 100% filled out. Like, this guy is probably not going to be sitting number 1 here for very long because he doesn't even have a website linked to his page. So realistically, I think these 2 guys should both be above him. So every once in a while they get into that Google dance. So at some point, I'm pretty sure these are going to be switching around. The third thing would be your backlinks. Right now, you're showing up for 14 backlinks. And what a backlink is, it's any website that has a link back to your website. So say I found you in one of those directories, and in that listing there was something I could click on that takes me to your website. That's what a backlink is. It's kind of a popularity contest. The more backlinks you have, the more popular Google thinks you are, and the more authority they're going to give your page. Some of the ways to get backlinks: some citations will give you backlinks. There's blog commenting you can do, guest posting on blogs. There's lots of ways to get backlinks. If you're going to go the blog route, do try to keep them relevant to the industry that you're in, or at least the area. So look at pressure washing blogs, read some articles, post a comment, put a link back to your site, or look at local community blogs around Oregon. So they're either specific to the area that you cover or the industry that you're in. Those are going to pass you the most power. You know, these guys have 24 backlinks. These guys have 86. You know, what we can do is we can go in here and see where these guys are getting their backlinks from. Like, this is a blog post. This is one of the directories. Here's another directory here. So we can go in and look at all of these backlinks these guys are getting and see which of these backlinks have the right type of power and authority that we would like to have for your page. Go into those same sites and try to get backlinks for you. I call it the copycat method. Find the guy that's got the most, copy what he's doing, go out and find some more, beat him at his own game. That is my basic review for you. Hope that helps you out. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.